law. The city is facing a shortage of public COVID testing resources as 370,000 foreign domestic helpers have to be screened by Sunday. Free specimen collection kits are being depleted fast. Available testing packs at North Point MTR station were gone by 7 a.m. Many defied the one-person limit. Experts have asked the public not to hoard the kits because they have a short shelf life. More than half of the city's community testing centers are booked for the coming 7 days. Singapore stepped up its quarantine and social distancing measures due to a recent flare-up of domestic COVID cases. That includes a 21-day quarantine on most travelers. The new restrictions do not affect the proposed Hong Kong travel bubble for now.
If circumstances go worse, of course, we'll stay very alert and see whether there is a need to sort of adjust. But if things going smoothly, stably, and safely, of course, I think it's everybody's wish to have the scheme proceed as planned to be launched by May 26.
The European Union's drug regulator is reviewing China's Sinovac coronavirus vaccine to assess its effectiveness and safety. This is a first step toward possible approval for use in the 27-nation bloc. The European Medicines Agency said the analysis is based on preliminary results from laboratory and clinical studies. This comes as the WHO is set to decide this week if it will approve 2 mainland vaccines for emergency use. Such approval would mark the first time a Chinese vaccine will be granted such a listing from the UN Health Agency. The World Health Organization is seeking to fill a gap left in the COVAX vaccine dose sharing program after India suspended exports of AstraZeneca doses.
The Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator currently faces a funding gap of $19 billion. And we estimate that we will need a further $35 to $45 billion next year to vaccinate most adults around the world. The G7 countries could mobilize a substantial portion of these funds themselves and lead a global effort to accelerate vaccination around the world.
India continues to be in crisis, with the country's tally of COVID infections surging past 20 million. Politicians want a nationwide lockdown as hospitals run out of resources. Leslie Tang has more.
Indian opposition leader Rahul Gandhi has called for a nationwide lockdown as the country is currently experiencing the world's biggest surge in COVID-19 infections. Referring to the government, he tweeted, "Inaction is killing many innocent people." India's official count topped 20 million infections, nearly doubling in 3 months. True figures are expected to be much higher.